Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this puzzle page. Not in today's newspaper on Monday, April the 24th, 2023. We have no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. No, it's the edition of Saturday. Yes, the weekend edition. We have here one puzzle left. I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, but it's actually 1 star because it has 27 printed digits. And this one, binary puzzle, will be number 6328. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 27 printed digits. And it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 ones comes in O. And here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Here this is 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones, of course. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. First column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be O's. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double one. Oh, here. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order, so we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O then. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. 5 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Then. Yeah, need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have also 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 5 minutes. Well, without comparing. Yes, I'm well pleased with the time. And we solve it again. Without comparing. Alright. This one has 27. That one has 25. Yeah, that one need more time than this one. Yes. Yeah. So 5 minutes. This one 9 minutes. Alright, I'm pleased with the time. So thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.